Hello friends, we are going to see how to download and install the Epson L130 printer driver on Windows 10 and 11. First of all, just go to any web browser and type free download printer driver Epson L130. The first link is from Epson. Open that first link, OK, and the Epson website. Close ads and scroll down. Detect your operating system. In a few seconds it detects my operating system Windows 10 64-bit. If it is 32-bit, then it is. Automatically detects 32-bit also. OK. Now scroll down. Here we find the driver. Just click on this download button. And our download is started here. It takes a few seconds. It is small file. We go to this PC and check operating system is 64-bit or 32-bit. Now again download the Windows 64-bit Epson L130 driver. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Downloader file. Just click on Show You folder. Click on Yes. And click on Setup. Now just select your printer Epson L130 from the list. After click on OK. I choose English. You can select any language. OK, just click on OK. Now click on Install. The printer installation is successful. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.